Okay, welcome to my class, and this is chapter 11, the Earth. Okay, the chapter 11, Earth, atmosphere, layer of atmosphere. I'll explain today atmosphere, layer of atmosphere, and Earth, layer, ocean. Ocean contain ocean is a solution of this water solution, and this solution contain different type ions, this type ions, and also ozone and ozone layer and today's topics. Look, this is earth. Look, this is earth. Earth. It is near surrounding the earth. They say outer space. Okay, this is, this outer space class. I don't take universe class. Today's topic chapter name is earth. I will explain about earth. Earth. This is the earth. This is the earth. This is the earth surface. There is a layer of gas. This layer of gases, there are different type gases: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, different type gas, dust, germs, different also water vapor. This is a different type of gases contain surrounding the earth surface. This is called atmosphere. Okay, the atmosphere is a layer of gas around the earth. Okay, what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the layer of gases, different type gases around the earth. This is the composition. This earth contain, this is air. Most this air contain nitrogen is 78%. 78% is nitrogen. Oxygen is 21%. Carbon dioxide, water vapor, and other gases is 1%. So, which element is highest in the atmosphere? Highest gases in the atmosphere is nitrogen gas. It is 78%. Then oxygen. Then carbon dioxide, water vapor, and different type gases, dust, germs, all are 1%. Nitrogen is 78%. Oxygen is 21%. This earth contain different layer. This is the earth, like this is the earth surface, like this earth surface. Earth surface, from the earth surface to top. Some talking.
Layer of gas. Could you
Have any question?
understand?
Which things?
Sir, could you please repeat the layer of gas? Yeah,
This one.
layer of gas.
This.
I didn't understand.
This one. This is
Yeah.
okay. This is a pie chart. Pie chart. Total is 100. Total in a pie chart it is 360 degree. This around is 78% of air is nitrogen. If a 100%, 78% is nitrogen. Okay, we know air contain different type gases, like water vapor, germs, dust, different type substance contain. So air is a mixture. Okay, it's contain oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. Okay, if 100%, if everything is 100%, 98% is 78% is nitrogen. Oxygen is 21%. Carbon dioxide, water vapor. This water in the, we know water in the three state: water, solid, ice; water, liquid, water; and water, gas, water vapor. Okay, this is the water vapor is gaseous water. Okay, and other gases 1%. Total is 21 and 1 22 and 78 100%. Okay, in 100%. So which element is highest in the air? Which gas? Nitrogen. Okay. Okay, air. This is the earth surface. This earth surface. Look, this earth surface. This is earth. At the from the surface to the top, from the surface area, to 0 to 12 or 10 18 kilometer top, 0 to 10 kilometer, like 0 to 10 or 11 kilometer. This is earth layer. This is called troposphere. Okay, and from earth surface to 11 to 50 kilometer, 11 to 50 kilometer area, this is called stratosphere. Okay, stratosphere. Then the region from 40 to 50 to 80 to 90 kilometer area, this area is called mesosphere. Okay, then is a thermosphere. Thermosphere is extend from the above, from the surface to above 80 to 90 to 800 kilometer. This is the extents range of thermosphere. And above the thermosphere, this is the exosphere. Okay, here is a satellite contain spaceships here around. Okay, this is the troposphere. Look, this is the airplane. Aeroplanes moves troposphere. Down different type balloons here. This troposphere. Okay, rain. This is rain. Is it? It is thermosphere. My God, I don't know. Satellite is the above the 800 kilometer to 3 kilometer. Look at this. The temperature. Temperature is the troposphere is look 15 to 55 56.5 degrees Celsius. From top to above 10 kilometer, temperature is increases from 15 to 56. Again, oh no, this temperature is decreases. Oh my God, temperature is decreases from surface to this. Look, 15 to minus 56.5. So we go, if we go to the top, from the surface to 10 to 12 kilometer top, temperature decreases like 15 to minus 56.5. Again, this is the stratosphere. Temperature again increases, minus 56.5 to minus 2.5 increases. Again temperature decreases. Temperature here increases. Here temperature increases. Exosphere. In the exosphere, temperature is increasing and increasing. So exosphere is near the sun. So exosphere temperature is constantly increasing. And okay, this troposphere temperature decreasing. Here stratosphere temperature increasing. Mesosphere temperature decreasing. Here temperature increasing. Thermosphere and exosphere. Okay, temperature increases. So layer of the earth is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. Okay. Look, this is the temperature increasing. Temperature, this is temperature. Look, this is the temperature is minus 120, 80, 40, minus 40, 0, 40, 40, 80. This here temperature from right hand side increases, here it decreases. So in the troposphere, if we go to top troposphere, temperature in temperature decreases, like this is minus. Here temperature decreases, here some decreases. Again in the troposphere, temperature increases. Look, this is this side, right hand side temperature, right hand side temperature increases, plus left hand side decreases. Temperature again increases. When we go to mesosphere, again temperature decreases, some temperature increases, finally increases. Look, this is increasing. The thermosphere temperature is increasing constantly. Okay, the pressure at the bottom, at the troposphere, pressure is highest, 100,000 millibar, 1000 millibar. And stratosphere pressure is 100 millibar to 1 millibar. Pressure decreases. Okay, the top pressure is decreases. If we go, so pressure is the highest at the earth surface. Pressure is the highest at the earth surface, 100,000 millibar. Okay, temperature. Look, have you seen this? The temperature here in the troposphere, temperature, if we move from surface to the top, temperature decreases. Again in the stratosphere temperature increases. Again mesosphere temperature decreases. And the thermosphere temperature is increasing. If you go to the sun, you will be 6,000 degrees Celsius Earth surface. Look here in the sun temperature. So temperature is increasing from thermosphere constantly, not decreases. Okay, this is the Earth surface. Earth's layer of the Earth is troposphere, 4 layer: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. Look, there is a stratosphere. Are you watching this stratosphere here? This is the troposphere. A stratosphere contain a gas. This is the gas contain. This gas contain this from the sun. Ray come, ultraviolet ray come, radiation come, ultraviolet radiation come. This layer, ozone layer. In the it is in a stratospheric layer. In a stratosphere contain a ozone gas layer. This is called ozone layer. This layer is called ozone layer. It is the stratosphere. In stratosphere there is a layer of ozone gas. This is called ozone layer. Ozone layer protect the UV radiation, ultraviolet radiation. It is harmful for our skin. It protect this ozone layer. Ozone layer protect the UV radiation from the surface. Okay, but for using the CFC, chlorofluoro gas, CFC here contain chlorine. This is used. Chlorofluorocarbon is used in the refrigerator. Chlorofluorocarbon, CFC, and air condition. This chlorofluorocarbon contain chlorine. This chlorofluorocarbon don't break in the Earth's surface. When this gas from the refrigerator or air conditioner, this CFC come to the Earth's surface, it don't break. When it come to the ozone layer, this stratosphere, it break down, and it break down this ozone, this O3, it break down ozone layer. Okay, so where is the ozone layer? Ozone layer in the stratosphere contain. Okay, there is a ozone gas O3. Oxygen is O2. Ozone gas is O3. This is oxygen gas. Okay, and ozone is here. Ozone is formula is ozone is O3. Okay, this is the ozone. This is oxygen. Formula of oxygen, and this is the formula of ozone. This ozone layer is contain this O3. O3 is contain stratosphere. This ozone layer protect our from UV radiation. UV radiation is harmful for our skin body. What is ozone? Ozone is the form of oxygen. It has the formula O3. It protect us absorbing harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Okay, this the ozone is the form of oxygen. It has the formula O3. It protect us absorbing harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. What is ozone layer? Where is the ozone layer? High above the Earth's surface in the stratosphere, about 25 km above. Okay, is the ozone layer. So ozone layer is in the atmosphere above from the Earth's surface, above from the Earth's 25 km from the Earth's surface. Okay, can you give the question answer? Where is the ozone layer? Give the question answer. Where is the ozone layer? Hello student, are you listening me? Give this question answer. Where is the ozone layer? Why is it important? Why it is necessary? Where is the ozone layer? Hello student, what? শুনতেছ নাকি? Are you listening? Tangela say, where is ozone layer? Huh.
So the ozone layer is on the surface of the Earth and it protects all asteroids from hitting the Earth.
How many far from the Earth's surface? How far from the Earth's surface? It is around how many kilometer? How much kilometer around? This is the 25 kilometer about. Okay, it is high from the Earth's surface about 25 kilometer. Okay, this is the ozone layer. Okay, ozone layer contain which gas? Do you know? Ozone layer contain ozone gas. Okay, this ozone layer contain this gas O3 this gas. Okay, O3. Ozone layer contain O3. Okay, O3. This is ozone layer. Okay, ozone layer. Yes. Oh, this is the ozone layer. Okay, and this is it is 20 kilometer above from the Earth surface. And now the troposphere contain which gas? Do you know? Troposphere contain maximum gas is oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide gas. Okay, and water vapor also. Water vapor. Okay, water vapor. Okay. Okay, this type gaseous also dust, airs contain. This the troposphere contain these things. Okay. So now I have second these topics. Next, ozone layer contains. Okay, this look ozone layer. How process of ozone layer? This the ozone layer is depletion. Ozone layer is day by day damaging. This ozone layer is day by day damaging. Depletion occur in ozone layer. How depletion occur? Depletion occur in the ozone layer. Look, this is the ozone layer is depletion occur. Ozone layer due to the solar radiation UV ray, CFC chlorofluorocarbon. CFC means chlorofluorocarbon. Hydrochlorofluorocarbons break and form chlorine atom, which react with the ozone molecule and form chlorine monoxide, and chlorine monoxide then react with oxygen radical to form chlorine atom and molecular oxygen. This way ozone layer is depletion. And ozone layer becoming whole day by day. This ozone layer is becoming whole day by day. Whole, like this is whole become whole, and ultraviolet ray easily come to the earth. This hole, into this hole, and ultraviolet ray come easily to the earth surface. Okay, this is the earth surface come easily. So day by day ozone layer is becoming whole because depletion occur. Why depletion occur? This ozone layer become depleting whole, and UV radiation comes to the travel to the through the moves hole and come to the earth surface. Where is the earth surface? Come to the earth surface, and this the people people they are affecting. Okay, their skin is damaging due to UV radiation. Okay, so depletion of ozone layer is occurring day by day because when we use at our house, like this is a man, this story building it is sleeping in this room. sleeping in this room. There is a air conditioner, and this air condition emits this gas CFC, chlorofluorocarbon, CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. Okay,
Then it warms the environment.
this is building, this is a house.
Air conditioner
Uh,
warms the environment.
this house, this room contain air condition, and gas here emits gas chlorofluoro CFC emits, and this house also a refrigerator. This house refrigerator, from the refrigerator CFC chlorofluorocarbon form. This chlorofluorocarbon gas, this don't break in the this troposphere. It move to the top. Here it don't break. Don't break here. Don't break. When it come to the ozone layer, it break down. This CFC become breakdown. Okay, breakdown in the ozone layer. Okay, CFC breakdown on the ozone layer. So ozone layer breakdown. If the CFC chlorofluorocarbon, this is chlorofluorocarbon. So here is a chlorine content. When CFC breakdown in the ozone layer, it form chlorine radical. Okay, this chlorine radical form. This chlorine radical react to it. This chlorine react to it ozone in the ozone layer. This chlorofluor react to it ozone. This free radical of chlorine react with ozone, form chlorine monoxide and oxygen gas. And देखिए the reaction I'm bullying. This ozone gas form. This free radical chlorine react with ozone, form chlorine monoxide and oxygen gas. Okay, yes, ठीक है. This chlorine due to solar radiation, CFC and HCFC break down and form chlorine atom, which react with ozone molecules and form chlorine monoxide and oxygen atom. And again this chlorine monoxide then react with oxygen radical and form again chlorine radical and oxygen. This chlorine radical again react with ozone, again break down another ozone layer, ozone gas, ozone molecules, then form chlorine monoxide and oxygen. This chlorine monoxide react with one radical of oxygen, form chlorine and oxygen. Again this chlorine radical react another oxygen molecule. This reaction is continue. So for this region this reaction is called chain reaction. So depletion occur in the ozone layer. Have you understood? This way ozone molecule is breaking in the ozone layer. Okay, so at first ozone this chlorine radical from the CFC, it break ozone layer, ozone molecule form chlorine monoxide, and this chlorine monoxide react with oxygen atom radical, form again chlorine radical again form and oxygen molecule form. This way another again this chlorine radical again react another ozone molecules and break down, form chlorine monoxide and oxygen, and this chlorine monoxide again react with oxygen radical from another chlorine radical and oxygen. Again this chlorine radical break another ozone layer molecule. This way it break down. As for this reason this reaction is called chain reaction. This CFC gas don't break the troposphere. It directly go to the stratosphere. Here the ozone layer content, here it break down in presence of UV radiation. It break down. Okay, this is the ocean. Look, this is at the beach of the ocean. This is the ocean, sea water. Sea water contain different type of. Are you watching my talking? This is it is raining. Are you watching me? Are you listening me? No problem. Okay. This is sea water. Sea water contain different type of cations and ions molecules. Look, this the sea water. There are different type ions dissolved in the ocean water. Ocean water chloride ion in the if you take 1 kg sea water, if you take 1 kg sea water, you will find the chloride ion. Chloride ions is 19.2 gram. This is the gram per kg. Gram per kg. Chloride ions is 19.2 kg. 19.2 gram. Sodium ions is 10.7 gram. Sulfate ions is 2.7 gram. Magnesium ions is 1.4 gram. Calcium ion is 0.04 gram. Potassium ions is 0.38 gram. Hydrogen carbonate ions is 0.14 gram. Bromide ions is 0.07 gram. Okay, the chloride ions is negative ions. Chloride ion, positive sodium ion, sulfate radicals 2.7, magnesium ion. Okay, this is the cation, positive charge, which is positive ions. Positive ions is sodium, magnesium, calcium, potassium. They are positive ions. Negative ions is chloride ions, sulfate ions, hydrogen bicarbonate ions, bromide ions. Okay, I have a question to you. Which positive ions is highest in the ocean water? Which positive ions is the highest in the ocean? Yes, sodium ions. Okay. Which negative ions is the top in the top? Chloride ions. Okay, chloride ions. Okay, which negative ions is the lowest in the ocean water? Lowest.
Bromide ions.
Negative ions. Okay. Which positive ions is the lowest?
Potassium ions.
Yes, potassium. Look, this is potassium 0.38 and calcium is 0.44. So calcium ions is the lowest. Okay, this is the earth surface. Look, this is the earth crust. This is the earth. If we cut earth, this is the 3 layer. The one layer is the surface area crust. At the outer layer is the crust, and the middle layer is the crust. What is the top? This crust. Crust. And this is the mantle. This is the second layer. This is the layer mantle layer. This layer is called mantle. This is the crust, and this is the core. In the deep, the layer is the inner side of the earth is the core. Core is two part. Look, yellow color. This is the core. Where is my cursor? This core is inner. In the middle is the mantle, and outer layer is the crust. Outer layer is the crust, and middle layer is the mantle, and inner layer is the core. Core is two part: inner core and outer core. Outer core is liquid. Inner core is nothing. I don't know. This the inner core contain. Okay, have you seen these things? Mantle contain. This is the magnesium, silicon, oxygen material, covered and soft. And crust contain. Crust is the thin layer. Crust 5 km. Oceanic crust is the 5 km. In the oceanic crust is the outer surface of the outer parts of the surface of the earth is the crust. In the ocean, the crust is 5 km, and in the continental crust like land 30 to 300 3 to 30 to 40 kilometer in the land area crust, and in the ocean area crust is 5 kilometer thin thickness. In the continental area crust thickness is 3 to 30 to 40 kilometer, and this the mantle is thickness is 2900 kilometer. Okay, mantle contain magnesium solid, silicon, oxygen material. Okay, the earth layer is three parts: crust, mantle, core. The earth has three layers. The
outer core, inner core.
middle. The outer layers crust. Outer layer is the crust. The outer layer where we live is called crust. It is made of solid rock. Compared with other layer, it is very thin. Okay. And then the middle layer is called mantle. It extends almost halfway of the earth center. It is also made of rock, but much of this soft flow very slowly. The middle layer is the mantle, and the inner layer is the core. It is just over half of the radius. Just over the half of the radius. It is made metal, mainly iron and nickel, and the outer core is liquid, and the inner core is solid. Okay, this core is outer is liquid, outer core is liquid, and inner core is solid. It is main contain iron and nickel. This core is mainly made by metal, iron and nickel. Okay, I have question. 1 minute remaining. Class is going to finish. Okay, asking question. Give the question answer quickly. Less than 1 minute remain. What is atmosphere? Quickly give the question answer. What is atmosphere? Okay, class is going to finish. Less than 1 minute remaining. What is atmosphere? Name the top two positive ions and negative ions dissolved in ocean water. Are you listening me? Give the question answer. What are the layers of the earth? What are the layers of the earth? Okay, okay, time is finished. What are the name this year?